Hello dear students of class 4 and welcome to yet another online class of science. Dear children, as you remember, before our unit test we had completed third chapter, but its exercise was not done at the moment. So today I'll be providing you with the exercises of chapter 3 and we will begin with the very first exercise on page number 39. So let's do it. Okay, dear children. So your very first exercise is choose the correct option. So as usual, we will read the question, we'll read out the options and I'll write the correct answer on the board. Alright, so let's begin. Number 1, in which of the following organs does digestion start in the human body? Your options are number A, small intestine, number B, blood vessel, number C, stomach and number D, mouth. So you can say your answer is number D, mouth. Number D, mouth. Okay. Moving on. Through which of the following organs are nutrients absorbed in the body? Number A, small intestine. Number B, stomach. Number C, liver. And number D, urethra. Your correct answer is number A, small intestine. Small intestine. Number 3, through which of the following organs is water absorbed by the body? Number A, large intestine. Number B, rectum. Number C, urethra. And number D, esophagus. Your correct answer is again option A, large intestine. Then comes number 4. Which organ stores urine? Your options are number A, urethra. Number B, kidneys. Number C, ureter. And number D, urinary bladder. Your correct answer is number D, urinary bladder. And then comes number 5, the last one. Which of these is required for good bowel movement? Number A, saliva. Number B, fiber. Number C, nutrient. And number D, enzyme. And your correct answer is number B, fiber. Okay, number B, fiber. So for your first exercise, choose the correct option. Your answers are number 1, option D, mouth. Number 2, option A, small intestine. Number 3, again option A, large intestine. Number 4, option D, urinary bladder. And number 5, option B, fiber. Alright, dear children, this marks your exercise A. Moving on to exercise B, choose the correct word to fill in the blank. Okay, for every blank there are 2 options given. You have to choose the correct option and fill in the blank. So let's continue. B1. From the mouth, the chewed food reaches the stomach via the, your correct answer is esophagus. Okay, your correct answer is esophagus. O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Esophagus. Once again I am telling you, O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S. Esophagus. Then you have option 2. Question 2. The liver secretes saliva or digestive juices, your 2 options, that help in digestion of food. Your correct answer is digestive juices. Digestive juices. D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E. Digestive. J-U-I-C-E-S. Juices. Digestive juices. Then comes number 3. The dash, your options, excretory / circulatory system helps in removing waste from our body. If you remember your lesson well, then you know the excretory system excretory system helps in removal of wastes. Number 4, waste from our body is removed by dash. Your options are kidneys, stomach. Your answer is kidneys. Your answer is kidneys. And then comes number 5, urine is formed inside the dash. Your two options are kidneys, ureters. So urine is formed inside the kidneys. Urine is formed inside the kidneys. 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 So this marks the end of your exercise B. So before I move on to exercise B, as you can see, I have to rub the board. So once again, I will tell you all the answers. Your exercise A. Question 1, correct answer is option D, mouth, M-O-U-T-H. Question 2, correct answer is option A, small intestine, S-M-A-L-L, small I-N-T-E-S-T-I-N-E, intestine. Number 3, correct answer is option A, large intestine, L-A-R-G-E, large, I-N-T-E-S-T-I-N-E, intestine. Number 4, correct answer, option D, urinary bladder, U-R-I-N-A-R-Y, urinary, B-L-A-D-D-E-R, bladder. And number 5, correct answer is option B, fiber, F-I-B-R-E. Moving on to exercise B, fill in the blanks. Your number 1 answer is esophagus, O-E-S-O-P-H-A-G-U-S, esophagus. Number 2, digestive juices, D-I-G-E-S-T-I-V-E, digestive, J-U-I-C-E-S, juices, digestive juices. Number 3, excretory system, E-X-C-R-E-T-O-R-Y, excretory system is already in the question. Number 4, your correct answer is kidneys, K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys. And number 5 also, your correct answer is kidneys, K-I-D-N-E-Y-S, kidneys. Okay, dear children. Now, I'll be rubbing the board. Because we are moving on to match the following, okay? You have column A and you have column B. Okay, so in column A you have number 1, churning, number 2, saliva, number 3, food pipe, number 4, kidney, and number 5, fiber. And here you have option A, enzyme, option B, stomach, option C, roughage, option D, esophagus, and number E, urine. So let's match the following with this, okay? Let's do match the following. So first of all, you have churning. The process of churning takes place in the stomach. So your stomach is 1, okay? Stomach is 1. Number 2, you have saliva. Saliva is an enzyme. Saliva is an enzyme. Then you have number 3, food pipe. You have number 3, food pipe. Esophagus is also known as food pipe. Then you have kidney, as you have seen in fill in the blanks. Urine is formed in the kidneys. And last one, you have fiber. It's the other name for roughage. So that's what your match the following is. Churning matches to stomach. Saliva matches to enzyme. Food pipe matches to esophagus. Kidney matches to urine. And fiber matches to roughage. Okay, dear children. So this is your exercise C. Match the following. Exercise C. Match the following. Now, we will move on to exercise D, and exercise D is little bit comprehensive because it is question answer. Okay, exercise D, it is question answer. So let's continue. So I hope you remember this one because I'll be rubbing it all now. Okay, so your very first question is define digestion. Define digestion. So your correct answer is the process by which the food is broken down into simpler substances so that it can be absorbed by our body is called digestion. Okay, once again I am telling you the answers. Number one, the process by which the food is broken down into simpler substances so that it can be absorbed by our body is called digestion. Remember, okay children? So this is your answer 1 for the question answer. Number 2, what is the role of tongue in the digestive process? What is the role of tongue in the digestive process? So let's see what's the role of the tongue. The tongue helps in mixing of saliva with the food. Okay, the tongue helps. So your answer is the tongue helps in mixing of saliva with the food. Let's move on to number 3. What happens to undigested food? Undigested food is stored in the large intestine as feces, F-A-E-C-E-S. Remember children, pay attention to the word feces, F-A-E-C-E-S, feces, and removed from our body. Periodically. Periodically means time to time. The undigested food it stays in the stomach as feces, okay, and time to time it is removed from the body. Let's move on to number 4. Define excretion. Number 4. Define excretion. The process by which waste is removed from the body. is called excretion. Okay, the process by which the waste is removed from the body is called excretion. And now you have last one, number 5. Name 2 waste products of our body. Answer is very simple. I'll simply dictate it to you. 2 waste products of the body are urine and sweat. Urine and sweat. SWEAT, sweat, and URINE. This answer you will only listen to and write accordingly. Okay, dear children. So this marks the end of your exercises. I hope you will complete them in your notebook. Thank you very much. Stay safe.